Hi friends, very good evening. This video is just to give a quick update on yesterday's notification, that is on 17 September. ICAI released a notification. So let's just go to the website, go to students, right? When we go to Board of Studies announcements. So this announcement was relating to the elective paper, the change in the format. So let us analyze it in a couple of minutes so that you guys get updated and you don't have to search through the complex stuff that is here in the ICAI website. Sometimes I feel ICAI website is as complicated as their exams. So if I go to final course, actually that notification is not there. So our institute has added one more tab here called important announcements, and here we go in that point number 2, right? Final new examination from November 2019 onwards. So let's just quickly read through. This was the notification released yesterday, right? Final new examination from November 2019 onwards. In the new scheme of education, the assessment of elective paper 6A to 6F at the final level is case study based, as you all know. Up to May 2019, the question paper of each elective subject comprised of 3 case studies of 50 marks, out of which a candidate had to attempt any 2. The competent authority has decided that from November 2019 exam, which is going to happen in a couple of months, the question paper of each elective subject, paper 6A and 6F, would contain 5 case studies of 25 marks each, out of which a candidate has to attempt any 4. In each case study carrying 25 marks, MCQ would be 10 marks and descriptive would be around 15 marks. That would include analysis, interpretation and all that. So the 40-60 ratio is maintained, they say, and there's no negative marking and no reasoning. Let us just simplify this because for you guys to sit and analyze again, it will take time. I have done that for you, don't worry. Yes. So guys, these are the papers that are getting affected. 6A, that talks about what? Risk management, right? And 6B, financial services and capital markets. 6C, international taxation. 6D, economic laws. 6E, global financial reporting standards. And 6F, multidisciplinary case study. So this is what I've done for you. It's very simple. I've compared what was there before and what is there now. Number of questions asked before were 3, right? Now it will be 5. Marks per question is 50. Now it is 25. So I would understand that rather than giving less number of questions for more number of marks, they want to sort of diversify and give you more number of questions and less number of marks, each carrying less number of marks, so that they can analyze how a student would think from different points of view. That's what my assessment would be. And we had to write 2 out of 3 before, obviously, and now simple maths, 25 into 4 out of 5. So one choice, we can leave one as a choice. And how, as far as the MCQ versus descriptive ratio, that remains the same, 40:60 and 40:60. So ideally MCQ per question before would be 20 marks and descriptive would be 30 marks, and now it is reduced to 10 and 15, exactly half. And reasoning for MCQ, thankfully, that's the good news still continues. So no bad news for us where we have to sit and write even the reasoning as well. And negative marking, no negative marking, thankfully. So from this we can analyze that the institute is moving more towards a practical oriented approach, and they want you guys to become global chartered accountants once you clear, rather than really learning things by rote and studying stuff by heart. That's not the case. And if you remember, there's one more notification that was there that's saying that from the next attempt, that is May 2020, even in few papers like income tax, IDT and direct tax, IDT and law, they are going to mix up the MCQs, and MCQs will be based on case studies. So I'm sure even that will come. So all this are good changes, positive changes, so that the chartered accountant, the student who becomes a CA, will become a global chartered accountant, far superior than all the previous generations like us, which is very good, very positive change. So all the best, guys. This is a summary for you. All the best. So we'll be releasing from Advait Learning more and more updates as and when they come. So please do hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel Advait Learning, and hit the bell icon so that you can get notifications. Cheers. This is CA.Punarvas Jayakumar here, signing off. Cheers.